Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back with another video tutorial, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you would be able to change the Google Chrome language back to English. Okay, so let's get started. Please open first your Google Chrome browser. Once you already open it, okay, so as you can see here in my browser that the language is in Filipino language, and in case that you don't understand or you're not familiar with the language you have chosen, so just follow these few steps that I'm going to show you. So on your upper right corner on the screen, please click on the three dots and make sure that you reach the bottom. So please scroll down to reach the bottom, and on the bottom part, please select the second option from the bottom. Now, once selected, this is actually the settings option. Once selected, go to the left pane, and there, please count for the seventh option and select the seventh option. Okay, so from the bottom, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then click on it. Okay, so this is actually the language option. Now from here, we should click this option that is written in blue color. Now click on it, and you will be given, or you will be shown with the languages. So you have to choose for the language that you prefer. So as for me, I will look for English United States, this one. So once selected, you can now click on this blue icon here, or blue button. Now, as you can see, the language that I selected is in third place, or third option. So what should I do is to click this three dots button and make sure that select this blue in this box here. Okay, so once selected, you will see that the third language is now in the first one. So after doing so, we can now click again this button that are written in blue color. And after doing so, you will see that your Google Chrome, or the language for your Google Chrome, will go back in English. Okay? So did you follow the steps accordingly? And if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.